Okay, so this is the Sony ICF-CS650 AM FM cassette dual alarm dream machine clock radio. A little bigger than most clock radios you're going to see. I think Sony was trying to put out a better sounding clock radio because it's definitely bigger. It has a 3-inch, looks like a 3-inch speaker in each side. It does sound really good. It has a loudness switch, and it also has a surround sound switch, which actually works. It has some really good separation. Here's your slider dial for radio on. It has an FM stereo indicator. It does not have an illuminated dial, so it's kind of hard to see because it's on the top of the radio. So like if you at night you're searching for a radio station, if you're not standing up, you pretty much have to tip it to look at it, and then it's really hard to see the dial. It has, like I said, dual alarm. You can wake up by the radio and tape on alarm A. You can wake up by the buzzer on alarm B. Then of course it has the dual alarm if you want to set 2 different times to wake up on the same day or something like that. Has your standard sleep button. Push it and it will stay on for however long you want to listen to the radio, then automatically shut off. And this button here, which they're calling alarm reset sleep off, that will automatically turn off the sleep function. Towards the back of the radio you have your dials to adjust the clock. Hold down on the clock button, push one of these buttons to adjust the time. Same thing goes for the alarm. Alarm A, alarm B. Hold down on the alarm A button, push the time plus or minus to set the time. Pretty simple. Over on the left side, top left, you have your volume knob. Let's see if we can hear this thing. So here's your loudness switch, which it adds a little bit of bass, a little bit of loudness. Here's your surround switch. It's much more noticeable, the surround rather than the volume, the loudness. Then you have your band selector AM FM right here. Your volume knob is over on the side of the unit, right side, towards the back. Once again, maybe not very convenient. This is a tuning knob, not the volume. Has really good AM FM reception, I must say.
How are we doing on that? I'm Sheila Logminas.
WoundedWarriorProject.org.
I can help the next customer over here.
And to play the tape, you push it over in the... No, you just leave it on radio. There's a tape in there. This does not record. It's just a player. It's got all your standard buttons: rewind, fast forward, stop, and that's it.
System. It makes it easier to be sure your child's car seat is
installed
correctly. Parents Guide to Telling Other Parents How to...
It's not auto reverse or anything like that. It's just your standard cassette. But it works good. Of course, your LED digital or your LED display, it's green. It does not have a dimmer. So whatever it is what it is. That's how bright it is. It's a nice unit for a desktop nightstand. It's a little big for a nightstand, but if you want an AM/FM cassette with dual arm on your nightstand, this is the unit.